Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on YouTube. Very simple, very easy. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then you want to head to the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then you want to head to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. Now the process is getting much easier. This is where the magic happens. I want you to scroll down and click on the section that is called Manage All History. This is where you're going to find everything that YouTube collects, not only search history, but also videos that you have watched. Pay very close attention here, guys. First thing, you want to click on Saving Your YouTube History. Here you can set the automatic deletion of your YouTube history. Very important, auto delete over here function that I'm currently highlighting. You can set this on, right? And you can auto delete the history of videos you have watched and your YouTube search history, your search queries. And when you click auto delete, it will give you an option. What is the time frame, right? 36 months, 3 months, 18 months. When you set this time frame, after this period of time, the YouTube will automatically delete all the search queries, all the videos you've watched. It will make your life much easier. But it's not all this, guys. If you go back, right? If you go back over here, manage history, you will find that you will have a similar option by simply going into the calendar function on the left side and simply inputting a date, a particular date, day, or year. And then you can just simply scroll and find the post that you search, right? And you can go manual. In this example over here, you can simply scroll even more and click, very simple, X, and you will be able to delete any video that you have watched, and you will see the date, and you will see the time that you watch it, okay? And this is how you delete your search history and your watch history at the same time, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more.